Nag-iisip ka bang lumipat dito sa Macau? Siguradong narinig mo na ang mga opportunities dito at nagtataka, when's the best time to land the dream job? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the hiring trends in Macau and uncovering the months when the job market is buzzing. Ang ekonomiya ng Macau ay malaki ang impluwensya ng turismo at mga integrated resort. Ibig sabihin, ang hiring cycle ay kadalasang nakasabay sa mga peak season ng mga bisita. So when are these peak seasons? Generally, nakakaramdam ang Macau ng pagdami ng turista around major holidays at sa mga buwan na mas malamig at komportable ang panahon. This directly impacts staffing needs in the hospitality, gaming, and retail sectors. Now let's get to the good stuff. October is often cited as one of the strongest months for hiring in Macau.